1, 2, 3. Do it! We are back, baby. Back on the hemp farm project. We have beautiful field behind us. Same thing that I did last time. We're gonna go look at the pond that we dug. Supposedly it's super deep and crystal clear blue water. The boys are behind me loading up the Komatsu, making sure that it goes bye-bye. And then now the sales guy is going to harass me until the day I die about buying that thing. I'm still not sure what we're gonna do, but let's go check out this Malvkin pond. Who's rocking the muscle shirt? Is Daniel wearing a muscle shirt?
He's wearing the Christmas shirt, I think.
No, he's not. Man, dude, Daniel's kind of low-key jacked. Like, who the fuck is that on that? I don't think I've ever seen Daniel in not a fucking shirt ever in my life.
Ready to go swimming.
You guys are both wearing your fucking tank tops. How deep is it here?
This is the shallowest spot, so it might be like...
I wonder how warm it is. It's actually not that bad. I kind of feel like I have to get in. Can I go one end to the other?
Yeah. Come on, Ruby. This is the start of Taylor's OnlyFans.
Fuck! It's really cold! Oh my nuts! No, wow, I just touched something weird there. Oh! Think I can do a cannonball?
Probably.
Oh! I'll get the excavator over here. Put me to the deepest spot. Oh. It's slippy as fuck. Woo. 1, 2, 3. Woo! I hit bottom. Thanks for that, Daniel. That was the best day of my life.
Should we sell these on the merch site?
To the high.
$1,000. Taylor's used underwear.
Some girl down in Alabama will buy it. Like, is everyone just leaving for the day?
Yeah, no. Sites go on without me. Don't worry about me. Shit's fucking fine. You're making money. I'm just not doing it.
Okay, I'll see you up there then.
Top dog, light them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. ZPGC, you should be turning it up. CPT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cause homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for show. Slip my girl a 44 when she crept in the back door. Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in this mother, just a swing in my hand. Quit talking, crip walk, get you down with the set. Take a bullet with some grip and take this.
Oh, this fucking house is dope. Okay, we're here at Kaner Project. Kaner's another builder that we're doing work for. We started this one last year. I ate some bug spray here. Project's awesome. We're doing a big septic here right now. What's going on, Mitch? Of course you're in the fucking shitter, eh? Mitch says, hey, are we gonna backfill it or are we just packing it in for the day? It's fucking a 2:30, dude. You still got at least 7 hours to go today. Too bad Wooby wasn't around when Mike hit a fucking building yesterday.
You didn't tell me that.
No comment? Accidents happen.
I hit the insulation on the outside. Alex and I looked at each other. He's like, you're good. I was like, okay. Keep going, and then the corner of the building just went into the hole.
Hey, Mike. You're a fucking pussy. Oh, greasy tear, dude. All right, well, that's fucking fucked.
Now it's a vest.
Now it's a vest.
That's
now one arm vested.
We could sell this. You go to KWC merch store.
What were we were selling my wet underwear this morning, so this is the second part of the sale. All right, who wants to buy Mike's ripped off fucking sleeve with hydraulic oil on it?
It smells like Corey.
I fucking want that.
That the sleeve delete option?
A little more than the sleeve delete.
Next time we just gotta like maybe prepare the bottom half. All right, well on that note, guys, I'll see you later. Okay. Maybe people would know whose this is. Okay, so do you guys know Flair online? He sent me a message, was like, hey, what's your address? And I'm like, are you scamming me right now? And he's like, no, just wanted to send you some beef jerky, dude. So we got some beef jerky from BeefCake Jerky Co. And there's nothing that I love more than me some beef jerky, boy. Like, no one loves beef jerky more than I do. Doesn't even say where it came from. Can't even give you guys his address. Oh, bro, I got a shirt too. No bullshit. I dig that. That's my kind of brand. What size did he think I was? I respect that. He sent me a large. Sometimes people send me XLs and I'll be like, hey man, you think I'm that fucking big? All right. First fucking test. This is right from Flair. Flair made this himself, he told me. On fire. Pork. I don't think I've ever had pork beef jerky. Pork jerky. Okay, that's my favorite. The pork's fucking really good. Flair, thank you. You're the man. Your beef jerky's fucking awesome. If anybody wants Flair's beef jerky, I'll do him a solid. I'll do him a solid. He has like millions of followers. I have like almost 100K. Almost. I'll put that shit down below. Don't fucking tell me I gotta walk. No fucking. Okay. We're here at a beautiful pit looking at the unreleasing of the cat Anaconda. And Wooby has no fucking high-vis gear. Who's this kid with the camera? You're gonna be like public enemy number one, because first of all, these people hate cameras. Second of all, look at you.
Fuck you, man.
Okay, let's get your shit. It's like everywhere we look, you know, it's just like people are staring at us because we're filming, you know? I like that though. I like that. They're like, who the fuck is this guy? Just kidding, they know who I am. Oh, there we go. It's fired up.
Probably cop the script rights. Probably cop. Probably cop the script rights. Got me kind of stop. Got me dodging on the body, backing in the lobby, dropping down the wall and alcohol and then the pop. Fucking lots of coppers, zombie, got the motherfucking damn man. All these people, not in name, it's just another damn man talk.
The same thing as ours, Mike. Change the street, comes out here.
Oh my God,
The second one is what we run on the top.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Honestly, the biggest downfall I see is the fact that it has gas, and it's an emissions rated machine. But like nice simple things like tensioners are easily accessible. Your grease fittings are in like isolated locations, so you're not running around to 45 different spots on the machine. Simple and almost thoughtless, but a wrench on the side of the machine to fit all your tensioner bolts for your belts and whatever. Just a well-built machine. Gotta get one. Black.
Everybody wants to sell you something here. Spend money, spend money, spend money. What about me, right? What if I don't want to spend the money?
You don't have to. You have your daddy's wallet.
Yeah, you're right. Go get some grub, bud. Holy fuck, it's hot. Back from the cat event now, baby. Now it's time to hammer out meetings. Fucking day. Anacondas, go check them out. Maybe we'll buy a stacker. I was talking to the sales guy there. He's got to send me a quote tomorrow. I think you guys should comment down below if Cat should just send me one of those things. If Tormont specifically should sponsor us. That would be really, really cool. I'm just saying. Like, I'm just saying. It'd be really cool.
Fuck off! Moving with the camera! Jesus Christ. Dave's like, what is this? I said the way to make more money on site.
Jesus Christ.
KWC on site at onlyfans.com.
Well, looks like the Aquaman truck here got a little hodged on this Thursday beautiful morning. Got the lads putting the strap off on her there now. Yes. That's how we do it right there.
So we originally started YouTube with showcasing our topsoil operation. It's been like 3 years, but I haven't really highlighted what we got going on for topsoil, what equipment we're using. So we're gonna show you guys all that now while he's actually running it. Obviously, we use our 1998, 1999 Komatsu WA 450, beautiful loader. Canada flag's a little black just because it gets hit with a little bit of exhaust emissions because there's no death. It's great, it's fantastic. We screen with our 65-foot, it's actually a McCluskey stacker. To give you better info on this that's a little more interesting than anything I've ever really shared, we bought that stacker for about $35,000. We bought this screener for $145,000. Both those prices are pre-tax. Both these machines are 100% paid off. That's why I love topsoil. The loader's paid off. There's no payments coming out of this operation. It's straight profit minus my time for my guys, the material cost to get here, and the fuel that we're burning to screen it. Now that is nice soil. You know, you see soil from all over types of the world. You get this nice organic stuff in it, you're never gonna get completely everything out of it, like these little pieces of bark or what. They'll decompose and add nutrients to your soil anyway. This soil is the best stuff. It's nice color, it's dark, it's rich, which means it's full of nutrients. This is a great mix. This is a really nice soil. Not clay based, like look at that. That's great. Let's go get a whole picture of the yard. Okay, right here is about the highest point in our yard at Ken White Construction headquarters. To my right, your left, you have the beautiful topsoil operation with the Warrior 1400, 65-foot stacker belt with the Komatsu 450 screening. Used to be my thing that I used to do. The existing 6.7 acres of the property is pretty much yard. Over here, to my left, your right, we have the shop, fueling station, maintain the trucks, employee parking over there, 5,000 square foot shop, 2,200 square foot of office. Our rental property, we rent out the building beside us here on the property. Standing up here, I don't do it too often, but it really reminds me of kind of where we've come from. Behind that topsoil pile is a 8-foot wide by 15-foot long building that used to be the office that my grandfather and dad both worked in. Incredible to see that now that's still there, but yet we've moved in to this massive building, which has allowed us to kind of grow. And I'm standing on top of here at the highest point here at our yard, overlooking the operation, what we have going on, the machinery, all the employees' vehicles, which means the amount of people that work here, which means the amount of mouths that you're feeding, which also reminds you to continue to work harder, because if not, then people's lives are gonna get fucked up, which eats at you some nights. All in all, I'm super pumped, I'm super proud. This is going into one of the best seasons, the best summers of Ken White Construction 2023. I'm happy for everyone that has joined watching. Thank you for everyone who supported the merch, obviously, as well. That's been an amazing drop, one of our best drops ever. More drops coming in the future. I appreciate you guys. Have an awesome weekend. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care, baby. But of course, I didn't forget about you guys, the true page of the channel that watch the entire videos. I'm getting a phone call to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, Anaconda. Why are you commenting down below, Anaconda? Well, we went and saw that beautiful lineup that Tormont Can is now selling. So if you guys watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below, Anaconda. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you in the next one. As always, take care, baby. Woo!